is the internet safe? That's the question that you randomly ask yourself, right? Well, they say prevention is better than cure, and that's what the Dotted Nose is all about. Hey Taola, ladies and gents, welcome to the Dotted Nose channel. For those who are here for the first time, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. In this channel, we prevent identity theft and embrace technology by upgrading our computerized skills. In this video, I'll be showing you guys DuckDuckGo, which is a browsing engine, just like Google, Opera Mini, Firefox, you name them all right? The ones that you utilize to do your research, whether it be on a project or whether it's your tertiary assignments, right? Now, the difference between DuckDuckGo and all of these other browsing engines is that when you surf through the internet, you become an anonymous person as you surf through the net. It has specific features where you can be able to enable yourself for being visible as you search or surf through the internet. But automatically it helps you become anonymous, right? Unlike the others where you just go to the internet and become vulnerable to these hackers and people fishing for information, all right? So without talking too much, let's dive in. Well, ladies and gents, if you do not have DuckDuckGo, you can go ahead and install it from Play Store, Findora, or any app store that you may be utilizing in order to install your mobile apps on your mobile device. The logo is a white duck, yellow lips, green bow tie with an orange background. Once you've opened it up after installing, on the left top corner we have the search text box right there where you can put in the web app address that you're looking for or whatever it is that you're searching for. We have the fire icon right there which clears your tabs and data that you have searched for. We have the square with a 1 inside representing that we have opened one tab, and then we have those 3 dots at the right top corner. Clicking on the 3 dots, we have the back and forth buttons as well as the refresh. We have bookmarks, downloads, as well as settings. Tapping on the settings, we have the general section and we have the privacy section. Now once you have downloaded the app, it's very imperative and it's very important that you check your privacy section. The general section is just the way you want your DuckDuckGo application to look like, or whatever it is that you want to for it to look like. All right, like basically it's the looks and some of the shortcuts that you may want to have. If you want me to do a video on that, make sure to use the comments section down below, because we are basically dealing with preventing identity theft and embracing technology. All right, since we are in this generation of technology, so it's basically important that we know how to prevent ourselves from becoming victimized, because having to heal from these specific crimes that are done online will take ages for it to recover, or for you to recover from being a victim of identity theft. All right. Now, as you can see on the privacy section, we have GPC, which is Global Privacy Control, Fireproof Sites, Location, automatically clear on Unprotected Sites, and open links in apps. All right. So with GPC, basically what it does, once you activated that button over there, it will block you from many trackers and unprotected sites. And the nice thing about it is that it will also restrict, as you can see right there, it will restrict selling or sharing your personal data with other companies, meaning the third parties. All right, so make sure you activate that. Moving forward, fireproof sites. Normally, when you are on the net and go to a specific website, there's that pop-up screen that has the reject all button and the accept all button. It's basically cookies. Now, with that being said, what happens is that with cookies, when you logged in, let's say you create an account on a certain website, all right, you basically will be signing in, and what normally happens is that you will be entering your personal data as to who you are, where you're from, your username and password, and so forth and so forth. Now, it becomes stored, all right? Now, by fireproof sites, what this feature is basically telling you, or what it means, is that it will block third party trackers from finding you, like outlying company, like insurance companies that always contact you, you know, all of these other third parties that you may think of. All right, because you're making an agreement with a specific site, not the third parties. All right, so basically that's what it means. Make sure that button is activated that says ask when signing in. All right, location, we're dealing with your location specifically. Hackers or internet browsers, like people that are online that have those skills of hackers, can be able to even maneuver and see your IP address or wherever you may be. All right, so make sure it's deactivated. When it's activated, it's blue. When it's deactivated, it's gray. All right, automatically clear. What do you want to clear? Data and tabs or none. I prefer tabs, but I can also say tabs and data. It doesn't matter which one of the two. Basically what it does is when you are closing the app, whatever it is that you're searching for, it clears itself off, unlike Google, where you have to go to the history and clear everything that you have been searching for. All right, but if you're gonna come back and you want to go to a specific site again, you can use your bookmarks as a way of getting to that website. All right, on this specific app. All right, then clear on is basically clearing the information that you searched for when you exit um, the app, or um, in certain hours, or immediately. So I prefer after an hour, if in case I remembered something that I did not do on that app, then I can be able to go back and just uh, continue with what I was searching. All right, then go to these two, the automatic clear as well as the clear on. They are basically working hand in hand. All right, they are similar, so to say. And then we have unprotected sites. You can add unprotected sites there, that you may know of. And then open links in apps. Maybe you're searching on an internet and that specific website has um, an Instagram page or a Facebook page. When you open up that link, it will externally direct you to the application itself. For me, I prefer to ask every time so that I can see, always be on the safe side, because I may click something um, not purposefully, so like on a mistake, like mistakenly so. All right. And then we have email protection. Make sure you tap on it. You will see that there's a join wait list. As you can see right there, I'm on the list. Just click on that one, Mainly, the reason for this, it will keep you safe as you utilize your email addresses on this specific application, meaning you will not become vulnerable to hackers. Whatever information you send to the other end, whether it's a document or something personal, they won't be able to track it. App tracking, it's basically, I'm on the list again. Remember, there will be a button here, the first button, click on it. They won't be able to track that I have this application on my device. And then DuckDuckGo desktop, I can also be able to utilize it on my laptop or desktop computer. So it's not only for mobile devices, it's also for um, your desktop. So those are the settings, my brothers and my sisters. Make sure you download this application. It's the safest that I have been using, and I've not have had any problems with it. Maybe let me just show you something before um, I'm done with this tutorial. Before I get done with this tutorial, pardon me for that. Now, once I've searched for how to make my laptop faster, you can see that there are other features at the top there, right? Search, again, safe search. Safe search, it gives you three options: off, strict, or moderate. Now, with strict, it gives you only the websites that are safe. Moderate, it gives you also those that may look safe. If it's off, then you will have to determine using your brains how to like which one of the links up there is safe. But I prefer moderate. Because I can be able to see which one is safe and which one is not safe. All right. I can also use my VPN. So basically, that's about it, my brothers and my sisters. You can also activate so that button so that I can see that you're from South Africa, but it's not necessary. Just deactivate that. And yeah, that's about DuckDuckGo. If you have any questions in relation to DuckDuckGo specifically, please comment down below. And if you have any questions or requests, I've left all my contact details down there in the description box. Make sure to highlight me whether on my WhatsApp or on my email, and I'll respond to you whether with a video or text you back. All right, that's about it, ladies and gents. Adios.